Hey guys, Scout here, and today I have a package from AirsoftStation.com. Okay, so the knife I'll be using is the Gerber DMF. Okay, so they did not send my Condor triple kangaroo M4 mag pouch. It says they will ship it as soon as they get back in stock. Okay, so I have one JG full metal high cap M4 mag. Oh, okay. They had a deal on their website. If you spent over $75, you got a free 1911. So, there's that. It's okay, I guess. Oh, just give me something that I can let my cousin use. Then I have my smart charger. And then my Condor MOPC plate carrier. And if you saw my Airsplat mystery box unboxing, I did get a chest rig, and I gave that to Freight Train and purchased this. So whenever they send me my M4 mag pouches, I'm gonna put them right here. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and we will be doing a lot more videos in the future. Thanks.